finding the equation of a line from 2 points, lines from 2 points. And this particular assignment says diagonals only, which means we're not gonna have any vertical lines, we're not gonna have any horizontal lines. In other words, we won't have any zero slopes, and we won't have any undefined slopes. So, let's try one. This is exactly what the problems look like. They're gonna ask you to type in an equation. What is the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points? And make sure you reduce it, it says too, so that means that sometimes the fractions that happen along the way might be something like 6/8. Make sure you simplify to 3/4, or any kind of example like that. So, obviously I don't know if that's gonna happen here, so we'll find the slope using our slope formula, which is y minus y over x minus x. And I'll write that formula down, you should too. Actually called y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All those little subscript numbers, no big deal, they just help you decide which ones to put where. You can call this one x1 and y1, this one x2 and y2, and then just put them in the right spots. I like to have people do this. Make a fraction bar, put those 2 minus signs in the middle, and then just fill in the blanks. They want the y2, which is the -4. Then they want the minus the y1, which is 8. Kind of can't miss. Look at the formula. x2 is -8 minus x1, which is 0. Solve and simplify because they want that reduced again. So -12 over -8. 4 goes into both of those, so 3 over 2. Negative divided by negative is positive, so our m is 3 over 2. Again, when you're going to do this y equals mx plus b equation, we need the m, we need the b. Slope and the intercept. We have one of them, but now we're going to have to do a little bit more work to find the other one. Looking at these 2 coordinates, if I'm going to pick one to put into this equation, I'm certainly going to choose 0 and 8 over -8 and -4. I think you agree. So I'll put my y in for y, the 8th in for y, I should say. My slope was 3 over 2. My x is 0, which I like because that'll make this equation super easy. My b is 8. Now I can type into my answer box the equation with the slope before the x and the intercept, +8, after the x.